Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure your LG Smart TV supports Bluetooth and that the firmware is updated, because outdated software blocks pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your accessory and keep it close, about 3 to 5 meters, to avoid initial dropouts. Next, grab the TV remote and the device you'll pair. You may need to accept a PIN or confirmation on both devices. Make sure batteries are charged, because low power often prevents successful discovery and pairing. Navigate the menu. Press the Home button, then go to Settings and All Settings. On some models you'll find Bluetooth under Sound, on others under Connections. Once in Bluetooth, switch it on and select Pair New Device so the TV starts scanning. When you see your accessory listed, select it, then confirm any PIN or pairing prompt that appears. If nothing appears, toggle Bluetooth off and on and rescan. Sometimes the TV's scan needs a restart to discover devices correctly. After selection, wait for the TV to confirm the connection and test the accessory. Play audio or use controls to ensure full functionality. If pairing fails, restart both the TV and the accessory, then repeat the pairing steps, because a fresh start clears temporary radio or software faults. Make sure there's minimal interference. Move away from routers, microwaves, or many Bluetooth devices. If you still fail, unpair any old devices from the TV and try again. Since too many.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.